my name is Santiago. Today we're going to learn about the Pythagorean theorem. I mean, you already learned it, but we're going to use it as an example. So we have our problem here, and we have our equation right there. I made it easy, so I can just plug in the numbers here. So we have 5, and that's going to be our A. And then, so we have 5 squared plus 12 squared. I'm just doing different colors, so it's easier for you guys to get it or see it. And then we just have C, which we don't really have a number. It's the hypotenuse is what we're trying to find. So 5 squared is 25, and 12 squared is 144. And this still equals C squared. Then 25 plus 144 is going to be 169, and we're just going to make it in black. And this still equals C squared. Now to find C on its own, we square root both sides, and we will get 13 equals C. And that's how we find our hypotenuse. C equals 13. Thank you.